Ready?
Want to go.
Set. Go.
I go flash.
Ah! Help me.
Okay.
I'm a goner. I'm a goner.
Okay.
I'm back. I need help, buddy. I'm not gonna make it.
Okay.
I'm not gonna make it. Tell Mom I won't be coming for Christmas this year. I'm losing it, buddy.
Okay.
I'm losing it. You're taking too long. What's that? It's a pillow. Oh, thank you.
Good.
For what? What's that for?
No.
Is that for the floor? I need a nurse. I need a nurse, buddy. I need a doctor. A female doctor.
Yes?
Yes. I need a female doctor, buddy. What are you doing? I need a doctor ASAP.
Yes.
I need it now.
I'm coming.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Mark. I hope you guys are having a good, safe, and healthy day. I'm back at the grind. It is now Tuesday, the 7th, April 7th, and just enjoying this beautiful day we have outside. I'm wearing a sweater. Don't really need it, but it's just very enjoyable to be at home, working from home, seeing my wife and kids all together. Right now it's kind of quiet. My wife is putting the little guy to nap. My older boy, he's on the Xbox. But once the little guy wakes up from his nap, we're just gonna take a stroll around the community, get some exercise, take a nice walk, let the kids play with their scooters, just so, you know, we're not fully at home, although we're all together, we can enjoy and get some fresh air. And that's what we're planning on doing. So if you're locked inside your house and if you're able just to walk around your building, your property, your community, do it. You need that type of exercise. It keeps your heart healthy. It keeps your mind happy. All right, none of that yapping stuff here, guys. It's been a very productive day. I woke up early, got my orders out, and now I have to, well, I don't think I'll be able to do it today because I do want to enjoy the day with the kids. But I need to go to some supply stores. I need to get more shipping supplies. I'm running out of boxes that I have laying around the house. I got to get more supplies to sell. They just keep on buying. But let's carry on and let's go with the orders of the day. What we have here is Keishla from Puerto Rico. Thank you, Keishla. And what we have here is a big, heavy boy. I don't want the camera to fall. We have a large mailing box, UPS. This is going to Juan from Florida. Juan, thank you. Yes, shaking the camera. Loose table. And then we have here's another heavy box. This is a priority mail today. Evan from New York. Evan, thank you. My family and I, we thank you for this. And then what we have here. I feel like Santa Claus in April. Paul from Massachusetts. Paul, thank you. And then we got another box here. This is Rebecca from Texas. Rebecca, we thank you. Yes. This is Grayson from New England. Grayson, thank you. This I do remember because I just did it right before I made this video. These are the Nerf toys. You know, the Nerf little yellow balls that you put on your Nerf guns. The ammo. That's what this is. 2-pack. I think I got it for. It was on clearance at Walmart. The sticker had said $3.50. But if you have a Walmart app on your phone, which I highly recommend, if you're going into Walmart, use the Walmart app. If you're at Target, use the Target app. Why? Because if you go to your clearance section, this happens in Target or Walmart. If you go to your clearance section and you see a sticker on that product that says clearance, let's say $3.50. In this case, these rival Nerf ammo pellets, the yellow balls, each unit had a sticker that said clearance $3.50. So I was like, oh, cool, not bad. But I used my my app on my phone to check the price, and it wasn't $3.50. It was actually $1.50. Because of that, I went ahead and I bought all of them out. It was about 20 of them there. And this is a 2-pack. I'm selling this for $20 plus $2.99 shipping. Need my money right there just on the shipping. But either way, Grayson, thank you. Grayson from New England, thank you. So it does help if you see your clearance section. If you go to your clearance section on any store and they have an app, check the app pricing, because you never know, it might change, it might differ. This is Kevin from Texas. Kevin, thank you. We thank you. Jordan from Oregon. I hope I'm saying Oregon. I'm sorry. Jordan, thank you. Caesar from California. Caesar, we thank you. I believe these are Magic the Gathering booster packs. And now we have here Brent from Isaac. Oh. I just said his full name, so I won't say where you're from. Either way, Brent, thank you. Okay, and then the last package of the day. Fabiola from New York. Fabiola, thank you. I'm originally from New York, Fabiola. I'm from Queens, Astoria. You may be close by. Either way, Fabiola, thank you. Now, these are all the orders that are going out. I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 packages so far. The reason why I say so far is because it's still early. Many times when it's 4 o'clock, I'm driving to the post office, 4:30, and I'm already, by the time I get to the post office, I have more sales. But I don't consider that shipping out that day because it's just late now. Post office closes at 5, so my cutoff time is, well, I try to have it around 4 o'clock. But now that we have my wife's here and the kids we're all together, I try to make my cutoff at 4:30, 4:45, the latest, because it takes me about 7 minutes to get to the post office. But I am not going to my local post office for this particular orders because I'm going actually further into the to the Main Street area, to that post office, just because there's a Walmart probably 2 blocks away, and I need to go shopping for the family, and I need to get more shipping supplies and products to sell that I'm running low of. Guys, just like my last video, I show the pricing of my packages, but I don't show what the items are anymore. If you guys want to see what I'm selling, just check my eBay store, NuMBERNYC at eBay, and you can see all the stuff that I sell and what we carry. I hope you guys become a subscriber, and we hope you guys become our customers. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. It's gonna be a beautiful day. I'm gonna enjoy that walk with the family, and we'll check you guys in a bit, okay? Peace, guys. All right, guys, let's head out to the post office and then get our essentials. Tag, I'm in. All right, on your mark. Get set. Go. Be careful, Mason and Matthew. Stop sign. Yes, stop sign.